Right, so we finally arrived in Italy here in the shopping center, yeah. And this is the end of my first vlog, my travel to Italy vlog. All right, so we are currently located in one special corner in Italy, very much special because this actually is located in Padua in Italy and is believed to be the first city ever dating from the 13th century. It's quite unique with old buildings, and as you can see behind me, it has quite unique cathedral along with blended with these medieval buildings and we're going to take a look after it more pictures. After walking through these beautiful streets, it's easy to see why Padua is so unique. It's actually older than Rome and was already a major settlement in the 4th century BC. During the medieval ages, it became one of Italy's leading cultural and artistic centers. The University of Padua isn't just old, it's also where the first woman in the world earned a university degree, Elena Cornaro Piscopia, in 1678. That's something you don't hear every day, right? The city is also famous for its botanical gardens, the Orto Botanico di Padova, founded in 1545. It's the oldest academic garden still in its original location, and it even inspired the creation of botanical gardens all over Europe. And while Venice usually steals the spotlight, Padua actually has its own network of canals, which were once a vital trade route connecting the city to the Venetian lagoon. Everywhere you turn here, there's something surprising, whether it's a hidden medieval tower, an ancient market still buzzing with life, or a cafe where students and professors have debated ideas for centuries. Alright, so we got
We
our
bought our skirt.
It's exactly like a nice one.
It
No
is very,
difference.
very beautiful. I mean, very delicious.
2
very
euros.
Beautiful. It is beautiful.
Yeah, 2 euros, guys, and we're sitting here.
We're searching for supermarket, but we found Prada and Gucci.
Yes,
I don't know if you can eat in Prada and Gucci, guys.
I don't think so. How do Italians sit? How do Italians
They
sit?
don't.
How do they
That's why
go,
they're so.
go shopping? How? We can't do anything with X. We need to.
the yogurt.
Why? Why any of that? No. Let's just speak in English because it will be easier for editing. I don't have to put translations here.
Yeah, but we need to.
Certainly not raw meat. That's for sure.
No, we need some kind of sauce, maybe.
We can buy yogurt alla Grezia in Frankfurt. Alright guys, because we still have more time and we don't have any energy at all, we decided to just walk by.
We have no energy. We decided
To
to walk.
yes, because walking is the only thing that we can physically do currently. If we sit somewhere, we're going to fall asleep, right?
Exactly.
Yes, and we ended up buying some crackers from the store and also some cheese. Yes, just to dip the crackers in the cheese. Do we look like homeless people? I bet we do, but we don't care.
The hotel, but we will probably get in the hotel really late and also really exhausted, so we decided to eat now.
It's our room tour, y'all.
Our room tour, guys. This is our room. It's this is the door that you're supposed to.
Dodici, yes. 12,
We
number
thought that
12,
the
room
room-
number 11.
We're in room number 11. We thought that the room is going to be like a basic hotel room that is really small. We all know how hotel rooms are literally like just bad.
But spoiler alert, look around us.
The room is literally bigger than my apartment in the city that I'm studying in. Okay.
Yes, and guys, so like, it's like a room from the 70s, like from the 70s movie. It reminds me of like Mr. Bean movie. I don't know why. All of this strip reminds me of Mr. Bean. But anyways,
We have here basically an entry
Yes, there used to be a door here, but now we don't have the door thing anymore.
I think it's the next room.
Probably yes.
This is the
Then we have
living
our
room.
mirror here. Hello. This is going to be on both of our channels. It's going to be together. I don't know.
A collaboration.
Yes. Why do they want to light up that corner? Just so we can see those things.
It's the vibe, man.
I don't get it.
This is the living room. As
The
I'm
living-
saying, 3 times my jeans were wet when I
Yeah,
packed them.
we're not going to talk about that. Here we have the dining
This is
area,
the dining area, and this is the bed.
which reminds me of the 70s, you all. It's so comfy, and you can do this. You can jump on the bed, and you can see yourself here. And you can
Hi.
see those holes in the walls.
No, don't focus on the holes.
But
And
look at-
also, it's a street. Literally a street.
yes, you all guys, and these windows are so aesthetic. Open it up. Oh my gosh. It opens the both ways. Never mind. Yeah. It's so nice, and you can jump from the window if there's an emergency.
That's actually
That's a pro. And we have these curtains, y'all. They are so beautiful. I don't know if they're for aesthetic purposes only. Are they for aesthetic purposes?
Yes, they are for aesthetic purposes. I told you guys, it's so 90s.
And you can see it's like so dark, super duper dark. It's like I would
hate
never,
dark
yes, I
rooms.
would never keep this. Yeah, I keep it like this, yeah.
Не отваряйте, има смърдливка. There's
Don't open
There's a bug.
Yes, okay. You needed to say that in our own language.
I'm sorry, I had to. I was so scared. Let's show the bathroom.
Oh my gosh, my least favorite part. Like, I can't even take a shower here. I can't even poop here because, you guys, I have the phobia of not pooping in a comfortable area. Like, it's so uncomfortable. It's not ugly, but I'm not used to these kinds of bathrooms. I think. And we have one thermostat here. We have another one here, and we have another one here, and neither one of those work.
Yeah, and this is the bathroom.
It has only one light. Wait for the bed.
It is actually a bath.
Oh my gosh, look at this. What is this? I can't take a shower here. And what's this? What happens if I pull this?
No, don't ask.
Here we have some kind of electric thingy for
Show
the
the.
fan. Why? I don't like it even 1%. I hate it.
We're here only tonight, so it's.
Yes, we're done. We're not gonna shower here. I don't know about this one.
So we're going to eat now, and we are going to take a walk
Tell
around
us
the
from 1 to
neighborhood.
10, how will you rate this room?
It's so vampire aesthetic,
Yes,
guys.
inspired.
It's so like 90s movies vampire.
Oh my gosh, here is so beautiful,
From the
like
90s.
sun. Yes, from the 90s. And also, no, from the 70s, 80s, I think.
Yeah, it's like.
Something like that. And like, we have these gadgets because it's like super duper fashionable now to have these gadgets. And we also have this. Tell me this doesn't look, or this doesn't remind you of the Mr. Bean holiday movie. Tell
Yeah,
me.
it does.
And we have the mobile room service still. This is gonna be fun.